Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Small Industries Development Bank of India hagajentri lang ban ka COLKS kalala banyarab yaki Spah Ngut Nongrep Ngap Shnong Umkon Livelihood District Meghalaya. Ka Sidbi kade ka kinhun hagari India ka bapanet jingmut hagaban kentia ginong sengkam barit ki bahap hapo ka micro, small and medium enterprise kabala sedang do ka artarik yayong sijak na Spah kandai po. Hagajing Palat pat ba ya ka Ngap bapaka bala penmi da ka Umkon Biodiversity Heritage Society hagajing lang balalong haslam trekam ka Sidbi hasilong lawan talang US Paumintang Gangte ubade Assistant General Manager Sidbi u VJ Bersat Chairman and Founder Jong ka COLKS uba Nicholas Malay President ka UBHS habakran shinong thok kubor uba Nicholas Malay ulapan pau kajing ai kuble ya ka Sidbi kabala shim ya kani benta ban ai jing hikai bat ban baiting ka ya ka jing lut jing sap bat kabala Ïarap ban yo jing itho na Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
Bank of India is a financial institution, not a bank actually. It was set up in April 2nd, 1990 as a principal financial institution for development, promotion and financing of micro, small and medium enterprises. Now, the project that we did in Umkon is part of our promotion and development initiative, not the financing part. So under our promotion and development initiative, we focus on entrepreneurship and livelihood programs. So these Umkon training programs, where our objective was to set up 100 micro honey processing units or entrepreneurs. Not only that, to set up a mini common facility center for processing the honey. So we had implemented this program through Cox Skills. Cox Skills had given training to 100 farmers of Umkon village on scientific this beekeeping and harvesting, then for value-added products, processing. And because of the initiative of Cox Skills, Umkon village has been able to bring out a new honey brand, which is Umkon Biodiversity Heritage Honey, the first of its kind, the first honey extracted from a biodiversity site that is in Meghalaya. So it's very, very fortunate for us that we have taken up this initiative, and the Umkon team has been very helpful to us. The villagers, the Shnong and the peoples, they are very helpful to us, and this effort we believe will transform their traditional practice of rearing or beekeeping process to a scientific one. Value additions, not only that, by practicing eco-friendly, sustainable livelihood programs. This is our schemes. This is what we intend to bring an impact on the lives of our own people. The part of our development and financial promotion and development programs. Promotion and development programs. Under financing, Sidbi is basically financing every sector of the MSME. MSME means manufacturing and service. Now recently with the government initiative, we have started financing trading also. Any MSME, micro, small and medium enterprise, which is having UDM registration, which want to go for setting up of a new processing unit, manufacturing unit, like restaurant, now these days homestay, then fruit-based juice, mineral water, or you want to do food processing unit, or any handloom products, you want to do that. Setting up of that or expanding anything to do with micro, small and medium enterprise, Sidbi can finance. And we have taken up an initiative right now that will not only finance the term lending, we call it term loan. Not only term lending, so we are financing the working capital also now. So Sidbi has recently launched an initiative called DigiCase, where an entrepreneurs, for example, local entrepreneurs who is filing ITR, then who is having GST, then they don't have to come to the banks, any banks. You can just go to DigiCase website, apply any working capital they want, which is the initiative of Sidbi for financing the working capital requirement of the an MSME. Apart from that, buying machineries loan we have. Even if you have transport, export related products, we can finance that. And service sectors, hotel industries, we can finance them. Anything that has to do with micro, small and medium enterprise, Sidbi is there to finance. And not only that, we are financing, not only directly, we are giving refinance to the banks. Every banks that you know of, any banks, commercial banks, we give loan to them to on lend to the MSMEs again. And recently, last year, we have started lending to your government also, your state government, for promotion of and development of the MSME sectors. And very likely, we are going to have a tie-up with your MRB, so that we have launched finance minister has launched a new platform, on lending platform, co-on lending platform, where MRB would be channelizing their outreach for further penetration, but it will be through digital format. No more manual intervention. Every application will be processed through the digital format, sanctioned within a period of around 24 months. So these are the initiatives that we have taken.
One thing, this entrepreneur should be clear. What term finance means what? It's a loan or it's a subsidy or?
Okay. Term loan is a loan. It's not a grant. Subsidy subsidy is different. Grant is different. Okay. It's not a grant nor a subsidy.
No, when you say
it's a loan.
Finance.
We finance means loan. Loan. It's a loan. Term loan is for buying capital assets. If you want to procure machineries, if you want to build factories, that is your capital assets. That is called term loan. So, but if you want to money, finance to run the factory, it is called working capitals. That also we finance through loan, not grant. But the promotional developmental activities that we did in Umkon, like Umkon, we had did promotional developmental activities with Ramakrishna Mission in Sora. The top floor of the building, the building, the third floor, is given to us for training centers. We have constructed that one. We have given them for training, for conducting training programs in tailoring and fashion designing. And we have even, in fact, in Dinkinton, we have given a grant support to open up a zero energy coal storage there in the rural heart, where this is a new technology where you don't need electricity to keep to maintain a coal storage. Like these are all grant support. That means not subsidy, grant support, not loan.
Kung sap ngai ko beli pi paro untuk sing le ton me akan di meeting pat ngapun pausa ya late kareng di kelas malai pat nasyong asa Umkon blok umling pat ngabat presiden hakaneka Umkon Heritage Society Naga Society je chonga Shnong Umkon i dap daga jing sukmen ka bakraw baga lemba daga Sidbi at kakuk pangilayo ya ka jing hikai hakine ki banai ki beladap pat kano ka jing sukmen baga ngilayo ya ka kabuk siar kum kane ha ka Shnong ka thaw jungi pat ai kublai kerpang ya ka Sidbi bat ka kuk ki bala restom lemba ane bat ngi rengkat hakine ki por ki bala bat along kum ka kam kaba imja ha ka yin ka sem jungi bat ngila ru pan le sipun nagini ki chat kam mat ngila man sna kunga kanika raw ngap saki bombati bat na bombati la sna kanika veselin bat kiwe bat sai sin ngai ko play kerpang ya ke Sidbi berkukuk bakila wanra ya kaneka jingikai ha ka Shnong ka thaw jungi
Barok ki brio ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong ka jing sedang bathuma ki jing ikai bapura kat kom kejok ke bamta. Ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jing ikai. Kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jing job ki urlong, but ki kalalong ka jing shisha.
MIT University Meghalaya, kajingya lenti kabastang syakalaway bacok.